Hi, my name is Derek Wilson, and I want to show you how we help executives just like you get more value from their data with automated dashboards and analytics. To do this, I'm going to use a sample sales data file um, that's pulled up in Excel. And this is one of the things that we do that really sets us apart is we want to leverage your existing data assets, anything that you can that really returns ROI and gets you better reporting analytics quickly. So in this case, you can see I just have a lot of orders. I've got order dates, ship dates, lots of data going over columns A through V. And if I just click on the row ID here, right, we've got approximately 10,000 rows of data. This is a very common occurrence. We help clients with this type of information all the time. So how do you go from this into an automated dashboard solution? Well, we're a Microsoft Power BI shop, which is the technology. And what we do is we use your existing CSV files, Excel files. If you've got data in a database, we can tap into that. But we really try to keep the data extraction to a minimum as far as having to do extra manipulation with it and spending a lot of time in that step. Right now, if you have limited reporting or analytics, transforming it into an online dashboard should be the primary focus to get you more insights and information rather than trying to build a whole holistic data warehouse that may return value 12 months from now. Our solution can start returning results in 2 to 4 weeks if you have a data set readily available that we can tap into. So in this case, we took this exact example file and ported it over into a Microsoft Power BI dashboard. We built it out. Everything has been produced. And if that same data file was being updated nightly, that information would be published up to the dashboard nightly. We can do it up to 8 times a day. If you've got data going, data being refreshed that frequently, we can update it up to 8 times a day with the basic license. And you can see here that Excel file is now turned into a real report that can drive analytics. I've got different segments. So I can click on my consumer segment, and it's going to filter all of my data down so I can see what cities have the most sales, what categories am I selling, what shipping modes, what locations are everything in. Likewise, I can click on the city. So what's being sold in New York, and it tells me the region that it's in, the sales by category, the actual cities that are there. If I want to look at it by region, again, I'm just clicking on this. The data's already been built. All that information's out there. I can change the date parameters. So if I want to look at a certain time range and go back further, again, if it's in your data, we can present it in a report in the dashboard. I've got products here. I can go in and look at my products. We've built some calculations that compare last year, same period, to this period sales. So you can see how sales are going year over year. I've got the product name, the quantity. Down here, just a very simple year over year. It starts at 2017, but because it's built into an online dashboard, I can actually drill into that dynamically and go to different views that give me the information that I need. I've got categories here. I can, again, drill in, drill up, see what information's in there, categorize things in a different fashion. So here I've got furniture, chairs, furnishing, bookcases. So a really easy way to get this information out to a lot of people. All of this information is available. You go to app.powerbi.com with your licenses, and you can get all of this feature and functionality. And this is just from one Excel file. So you can see here, we've built a map that shows the total sort sales by stores. You can click on different states. It'll automatically populate the size of the circles, the dollar amount of the sales in this case. There's other features. This is just different colorations, different things that we can do to really make your data pop and let you see what's really going on in your data. So if you're interested in transforming how you're currently getting reports and analytics, please give me a call and let's talk about automating some of your information and getting it into an online report and dashboard that lets your team spend more time analyzing data and less time trying to find the data. Again, my name is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors. Please reach out. Happy to help. We work with customers all the time. Our quick start solution starts at a 4-week time frame where we work with you. You give us the data set, we get your environment and everything set up, and an initial report built and train your team on how to use it, typically within 4 weeks, sometimes less, depending on how complex the data is. So book a demo today, and let's see how we can help you. Thanks.